In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive items and cards in Trello, including how to archive individual cards, entire lists, and how to restore them if you ever need them back. Archiving is a powerful way to keep your boards clean and organized without permanently deleting anything. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, head over to Trello.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your Boards page and open the board where you want to archive cards or lists. Archiving works at both the card level and the list level, so I'll show you both methods. Let's start by archiving a single card. Open any card on your board that you'd like to archive. When the card window opens, look at the right-hand side menu. Scroll down until you see the Archive option. Click on Archive and that card will immediately be removed from the board view. Don't worry, it's not deleted. It's simply moved to the Archived section, where you can restore it later if needed. Now, there's an even faster way to archive a card without fully opening it. If you're using the card front view, you can mark the card as complete first if it's a finished task. Then use the Archive button directly from the card options. This allows you to quickly clean up completed tasks without going into each card's detailed view. It's perfect for managing busy boards and keeping things tidy. Next, let's talk about archiving an entire list. If you've completed a project phase and want to remove a whole column, this is the best option. Go to the list you want to archive and click on the three dots at the top right corner of that list to open the List menu. From the drop-down menu, select Archive this list. As soon as you click it, the entire list and all the cards inside it will disappear from your board view. Again, nothing is deleted permanently. It's simply stored in the Archived section. Now, you might be wondering, how do you see your archived cards or lists? To access them, go to the Board menu on the top right side of your board. Click on it to expand the menu options. From there, click on Archived Items. This section shows all archived cards by default. Here, you can scroll through and find any card you previously archived. If you want to bring a card back, simply click on Restore next to that card. The card will immediately return to its original list on the board. If you're looking for archived lists instead, switch to the Lists tab within the Archived Items section. You'll see all the lists you've archived. To bring a list back, click Restore next to the list name, and it will reappear on your board exactly as it was before. And that's it. That's how you archive cards, archive lists, view archived items, and restore them in Trello. Archiving is one of the best ways to keep your workflow clean without losing important information. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.